Hey everyone, this is Raja from Charger Games and welcome back to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the dark theme in Unity for free. Now in Unity 2020.1.2 and the newer versions, Unity has made the dark theme available for free. Now getting the dark theme is not a big deal, but a lot of you actually love to work in the dark theme and it's always a lot less stress on our eyes. So if you want to enable dark theme for free in Unity, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see here, I am inside the Unity Hub. So if you have the Unity Hub installed, you need to make sure that you install a version newer than 2020.1.2. Alright, otherwise this is not going to work. So inside the Unity Hub, you need to go to installs and make sure to click on add and install a version which is newer than 2020.1.2. Okay, so now I have all these versions installed, so I'm not going to install them again, and here I have an empty project opened. So now I'm going to show you how to actually change it to the dark theme. So in order to change it to the dark theme, you need to go to this edit button, and from there you need to go to this preferences, and let me go ahead and make it bigger so that you can actually see it clearly. And from the preferences, you need to go to this general tab. Okay, and in the general tab, as you can see here, we have the edited theme and light is selected. So from here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and change it to dark. And once you change it to dark, Unity will take some time, and after that you will see that your edited theme will be changed to dark. So it's as easy as this. So now as you can see, we have got the dark theme and it looks really awesome, and this is how it looks like. So there are no more steps need to be done, and there's no more steps you should do. So this is it. That's all I wanted to say in this video. Now I want to ask you, what is the theme that you're going to use in your case? Now in my case, I will probably use the dark theme in all my future videos because I like it and it's a lot less stress in the eyes. So I want to know which theme you're going to use. So comment down below which theme you will use in Unity from now on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. So thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the new video tomorrow.